Howdy hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome. I'm Tall Mike, and today's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. September 11th. We got the weekend ahead. Anyways, it was a short week this week. We only had 4 trading days, but there was a lot of activity. I mean, that stock market was down. It was up. It was down. It's up. Oh, what a week. What a week. What a week. Anyways, what we got now is, I think we're going into a little quiet time, a little consolidation. The stock market is still in an upward trend. It hasn't broken down below the 50-day yet. Okay, now I do believe it will come down. I keep saying that eventually, just not yet. Not before this election. I don't see it happening. But keep watching that 50-day moving average and we'll see. If it breaks it, it's going a lot lower. There's a lot of air down beneath there. But I still think we're going to drift higher. I think we're in an uptrend, and I think the uptrend's still intact, even with the big drop, even with the 10% drop in the NASDAQ, and we're still in an uptrend. That's how far up we were. We came back down, sitting right above the 50-day. Nothing wrong with that. Now, what we got in the other markets? My favorite, gold and silver. What's going on there? Well, actually, it's been a slow month. I mean, for the last month, they've pretty much been consolidating. They rose up and they're consolidating across, and they're right into the 50-day also. Now, the 50-day is rising, so they bounced off the 50-day. And I do think we're going to have a nice move higher. I think in gold, we're going to get up to about the 2200 level really soon. I think silver's going to go back and, test the recent high and even move higher. I'd love a pullback. I want to buy more. Always looking to buy more. Silver, gold, I'm a stacker of both. I believe in both. And even Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. I mean, I know it was at 12,000. Now it's down just above 10,000. But that 10,000 is pretty good support so far. Bitcoin, I'm a stacker also, but more like a holder. Anyways, I love those, all three of those. I think, with the Fed coming out saying they want inflation, that inflation's going to, their goal is to get more inflation. There's a goal. They're telling you. They're giving you the playbook. This is actually making it very easy for us. Look, if they're going to print money to get the inflation, their dollar's going to it's going to crap out. Okay? It's as simple as that. You do not want to be holding dollars in this environment. Some, absolutely. You always want to have some dry powder just in case they pull gold and silver down when the whole crash comes. You want to have that dry powder to get some more, to stack some more. Oh, man, I hope we get a pullback. I just don't see it because they want inflation. They're going to destroy the dollar. The things to protect yourself against the dollar is gold, silver, Bitcoin. I actually think a great ETF would be 50% gold, 25% silver, and 25% Bitcoin. I think that would be an ETF to protect. I just call it the dollar protection ETF, to protect yourself against the dollar. The dollar's going down. They're going to inflate. They're going to inflate. Now, inflation for the average person is really bad. It's really bad. Now, for rich people, they love inflation. Oh, the more debt you have also. Like, if you have a lot of debt on, let's say you have a big mortgage. You got $1 million house. You got $800,000 loan on it. You want inflation. You want that house to go up to $2 million and then build your equity. I mean, if you got a lot of debt like that, yeah, you want the inflation. But you're just a regular working person. You don't want to go to the grocery store and pay more. You don't want to go to the gas station, pay more. No, I don't want to pay more. I want to pay less. But no, the government, they need that inflation. They need to keep the houses high. They need to keep the stock market propped up so Donald Trump has a chance to win. I don't think this is good. I think I think that houses are too high, and I think they're going to come down. I think they're going to come down 50%. But okay, let's move on from all of this. So what do we got for plays this week? What do I like here? What do I like? Anyways, I like gold and silver. All right, let's try Well, a gold stock that I'm looking at is called BTG. It's B2 Gold, BTG, trading around $6.50 a share. Anyways, I like that. I like that stock. Okay, I would be a buyer at this price. Silver play I like is called Mag Silver, MAG. Mag Silver trading right at that 50-day, right around $16. I like it. I think it's going to bounce higher. I think we're going to get a move higher in both those. BTG and MAG, I think they're going higher. Now, can they come down? Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm actually hoping for that pullback. I want to restock my physical gold, my physical silver. I mean, when I say restock, I want to add to it. I don't really sell much of it ever. Well, because it's cheap. Don't sell it here. I really think that silver's going to hit $100 an ounce. I mean, you can buy it right now for about physical silver eagles for about 30. So that'd be triple your money, everything you put in. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow or next week, but it's going to happen. It's going to go to $100. All right. So anyways, I love to look at charts. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but I'm a chartologist. Yeah, I have mentioned that, haven't I? Well, anyways, I look at charts, and that's how I get my plays. I look at them, and I watch them, and if you want to know some secrets about how to look at charts, hey, just go to stockmarketgambler.com, give me your email address. I'll send you my stock market secrets. Tells you what I'm looking for in these charts. But anyway, speaking of charts, let's talk about natural gas. Natural gas. The ticker symbol I play is UNG, natural gas. All right, so what has it done? In the last couple of months, it went from $9 to almost $15, about $14.60, I think it got up to. So $9 to $15, that's basically $6 run up. But what's it done now? It's pulled back, giving almost half of it back, okay? So you got from 9 to 15, $6, cut that in half, $3. So a $3 pullback from 15 down to around 12. Anyways, is where you want to get in this trade at, which is right at, again, where the 50-day moving average. So anyways, we had to run up from $9 to $15, pulling back to 12, sitting right on that 50-day moving average. Anyways, I'm recommending, well, like I say, what I'm doing, I can't recommend really. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a stock market trader. And what I'm going to be trading, actually what I'm trading, I just bought a couple today. Anyways, is UNG calls. I bought them out to October, I think October 30th or something. But anyways, it's just it's a 2-month trade for me. But I think it's going to move back to that 15 level. And if we get that move back, these are going to double, probably triple. So anyways, I'm buying UNG calls, strike price. I'm using the $12.50 strike price. It's trading right now around $12.20. Now, you can wait for it to get down to $12. $12 is really where you want to be buying these calls. It'll probably get there, so I think it's okay to wait. I mean, but my goal is $15 on these. So we'll see if it happens. It's just a trade. Anyways, it's what I do. It's what I like to do. Now, anyways, one other thing I want you to do for me, if you like my channel, if you want more trades like this, I mean, if meeting of the minds, maybe you hate my trades, maybe you bet exact opposite, and some people do that. Some people do that. They say they make money. I don't know. It's all a timing thing. Maybe they do. But anyways, if you want some more trades like this, I put them out on my channel, and you just hit that subscribe button, punch it. Go ahead. Why not? But anyways, the trades I like today, go over them one more time. Mag Silver, MAG, it's at $16. Okay. The other one is B2 Gold, BTG. It's at about $6.50. I like both of those. And my third one is the UNG, natural gas. It's pulling back here, but I think it's going to bounce off the 50-day. I really do. Once it hits the 50-day, right at $12. Anyways, get the calls. Buy some calls. That's what I'm buying. I'm buying the calls on it. And yeah, I think we're going to be okay on these. We'll see. We'll see. It's fun. It's, trading's a fun game. And anyways, we got the weekend ahead. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to miss the stock market. But I'll be back on Monday, and hopefully we have another conversation. Anyways, that's all I got today. I'm Tall Mike. Get out there and do some trading. It's still early in the market for me. I'm going to go take another look.